Okay, so here is a Hampton Bay Florentine ceiling fan that I got off of eBay last year in December. This fan is from March of 1998, and this is a pretty uncommon ceiling fan. You don't really see these a whole lot, unless if you live in Canada, because from what I've heard, these are more common in Canada than here in the United States. Um, as you can see, it closely resembles the Hampton Bay Graton, since it uses the same blades, motor, and mounting hardware. The differences between this and the Graton is that this can take 5 blades, and it has a spotlight kit, which is removable. And since this is an older Hampton Bay, it's got the Hampton Bay tag on the side of the switch housing, which I'll show to you in a minute. So yeah, before I demonstrate this fan, I figured I'd give a few shots of it real quick. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's get to demonstrating the fan. Here's the light. Now here's low. And this fan is going to wobble a lot, so... And it wobbles worse than the Huntington 2 did. As you can see, it's got a fast slow speed, but that's probably because this is a 42-inch fan and it's got 5 blades, so that might be it, but I don't know. Okay, here's medium. And what I forgot to mention is that this fan didn't come with the original Hampton Bay pulls, so I borrowed these off of my Huntington 2, which I forgot to mention in the video of my Huntington 2, is that these were borrowed from the Minuet 2. The Huntington 2 did come with its original pulls, but I decided to use one of them on my Gratons since one of the pulls was in really rough shape. Alright, now here's high. I'm only going to keep this on for a few seconds. Yeah, as you can see, it wobbles really bad, so I'm gonna turn that off. Alright, so there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Florentine ceiling fan, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.